Okay, let me quickly have a recap of what we did yesterday in the class. Of course, I've connected to my virtual Windows server. All right. So look for, go to Start on the virtual Windows server, then click on Server Manager. So let's wait, still loading. Let's wait, still loading. Let me check my scripts. So click on Start menu, open Service Manager. So we're going to see the Internet Information Service. Then we click on Add Rules and Features. So let me go back and see whether it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. So click on this. So it should give you File and Storage Service. This one should be there before you can start your configuration. So click on Add Rule and Feature. All right. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. So look for ISS Web Server. This is it. Internet Information. Click for that. Add feature. So let me go back to that please. So click on this, click on add roles. Okay, next. Yes, so add feature, then click on next. Click on add feature. Next. 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 Then install. So let's wait for this to install. Just follow the process. I've given you the, so just follow this process, install. Then after that, we check on our local host. Then we create our own page. Then we check and we upload the application. All right. So let's wait. You can see that the installation is still in progress. Let's wait for some time. All right. Let's wait. So let's wait for the installation. Okay, so the installation is complete, so you can close it. All right, so the next thing you do, you go to your local server. You can minimize this. All right, so let's so we can scroll down. So all right, so better still, you now go to your local machine. Let me just go back a bit on this. Right, scroll down, click on this. So click on your file explorer. Click on the PC, click on this. So check this, look for this particular file. This is the web root, click on it. All right, this is the default files. You can delete these two default files, delete the two of them. All right, now let's create our own page. I have given you a default page, a default program which I have built. This is just a simple application. So let me open it. So this application is what you're going to install on our server. The server is ready. So just copy this application. It's a Python application for a simple game called Duolingo game. Oh, they just copied everything. Copy this. Go to your remote server, and let's have a notepad. So let me notepad on this so that I can. All right. So okay, let me go back to my desktop. Right. Should I? All right. All right. So let's create. Let me just go back. Still loading. Let's search for a notepad on our machine. Let me close this. So close this. All right. So I'm going to paste the application here. So I'm going to save it. Go to File, Save As. All right. So go down, click on your PC, save under this www root. Okay. Index.html, change this to all files. Let me make it bold. Then save. Save this. Okay. So all right. So let's check. Can check and scroll down and Okay. So once we have done that, our application should be running on that local server. So let's go. This is our local server. Let's check File Explorer. I want to check and ensure that my application is there. Okay. So click on the Windows PC. Click on this Init Public. You have your root. Okay, our application is there. So all you do now is let's go back and copy the public IP address of the instance. So the instance is running. So this is the public IP address. So let me paste on my browser and check if the application is running. Okay, so let me use let's use Mozilla Fox. Wow, so the application is running. So you can see it's a simple application. The pin for the application is 1234. So I built the application. It's a duolingo application. So start. If you want Yoruba, you can share that. How do you say good morning in Yoruba? Say Ekaro. Submit. You can see that it's calling it. Then what is the Yoruba of goodbye? Let me say Odabo. Submit. Good afternoon. Ekason. All right. Submit. Good evening. Eku Irole. All right. Thank you. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. All right. So you can see that this is it. It's a very simple application I built with Python program. So with that, uh, I've shown you how to, of course, so our application is running. So if you want it to run on this one as you can run, this is the, so let me refresh and run it here as well. If you are running it on your Google Chrome, try to remove because Google Chrome comes with some security. So try to remove the S. So you can run it now. Perfect. You can see that it runs now. All right. So thank you very much. So we'll meet in the class today again. Just go through what I've done. It's very simple. Go through the script to install your Windows server and of course install the application on it. Thank you very much.